Hey, what is going on, guys? I'm going to show you how to download Fortnite onto your Android phone. Took me a while to figure this out. Now, the thing is, if you have like a Samsung Galaxy like S7, S8, S9, or even the S10, they make it a lot easier. For example, this is a S10 here. The only thing you got to do is basically go into your Galaxy store, okay? Go into your Galaxy store here, and then go to search and type in Fortnite. Right there, and that'll take you directly to the Fortnite installer. Download that and then continue the installation process. It's quite easy. Now for the other Android phones, for example, I'm trying to put this on my Huawei Mate 20 Pro. I'm going to show you how to do it. The thing is, there's a list of Android phones that are compatible. However, there are some that are not in the list that will work. Let's go ahead and download Fortnite onto my Huawei phone right now, and then we'll go over the exact requirements or specifications that you need to have on your Android phone in order to play Fortnite. Okay, so here's the link that you need to download Fortnite onto your Android phone. Now the thing is, before I was going to epicgames.com and then I would click on download. The only thing is on the Fortnite, it said for Windows PC or a Mac, and I have like an Android and I couldn't figure that out. And then I finally just did a Google search here, says Fortnite Android, and this website here pops up right here. And this is through Epic Games as well. Let me just click on that. Now this link here, I'm going to go ahead and put this in the description area so you don't have to type all this in. You can just click that from your phone. But the web address you can see right here is Fortnite/en-us mobile-android-get-started. Now, even though this says the US here, I have a friend in Australia that downloaded it using it this way too, and he had no issues. So this is the website right here. As soon as you go here, it's going to bring you here and it says download Fortnite on Android. Now very quickly, let's go to check your device compatibility. Let me tap on this down here, and then you can go ahead and put this on pause, but you can see all the compatible devices here. Even if your phone's not in this list, if I go down to here to see the FAQ, let me click on that. And then if I look down here and take note right here, it says Fortnite does not support devices that are rooted, does not support devices that are jailbroken. And then it says down here, if you look right here, it says if your phone is not on the list, it might still work, assuming if you have the following specs. So these are the specs that you need to have on your Android phone. Go ahead and install this now. So I'm going to go ahead and click on download, continue, allow. Okay, this is the Fortnite APK, all right. And this is from epicgames.com's website, okay? Not no third party where they're going to install like malware and all that other stuff onto my phone. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and click on download, download. I'm going to go ahead and okay this. Now I'm going to go ahead and open it. And of course, I get this message here. Anytime you download an app not from the Play Store, you always get this message here. It says, for your security, your phone is not allowed to install unknown apps from this source. So I'll click on settings. And right here it says allow app installs. I'll go ahead and toggle that on. And then I'm going to go back. And then I'm going to click on install. App installed. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on open. Game storage required. I'll click on continue. Access to my photos and media. I will click on allow. Now it says downloading down here. And I get this message here again. For your security, your phone is not allowed to install unknown apps from this source. So I'll click on settings. I'll go ahead and click on allow app installs again. And then I'll go back here and I'll click on install. And I'll click on open again. Okay, finally, that process probably took around like 15, maybe 20 minutes or so. And then from here, you can click yes, find your account that you currently have, or no to create a new account. I'm going to go ahead and log in with my old account, and I did it with my Gmail account. Wow, look how nice and smooth this is on the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Alright, looks like we're in business here. Let me make sure the icon. Yeah, okay, so there's the icon right there. Right above it is PUBG Mobile. Alright, well there you guys go. Guys, remember that there's some phones that are not on the list that worked. If you have a phone that's not on the list that it worked, please comment below so others can see it as well. Alright, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.